Today I'm sharing this simple and cute granny square phone bag for the yarn. I'm using Pudding Handmade Fox for yarn, leather yarn and candy color yarn. Chain 3, which counts as the first double crochet. DC beginners. Place a stitch marker on the third chain. Continue 2. Crochet double crochets into the ring. That completes the second DC. Let's mix one more double crochet. Counting the initial chain 3, we have a total of 3 double crochets. After that, chain 2. This completes one group. Next, repeat the pattern. Crochet 3 double crochets into the ring. After the fourth group of 3 double crochets, pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring. Remove the stitch marker. Insert hook into the marked stitch. Crochet a half double crochet. HDC to replace the chain to space. Let's start round 2. Chain 3 counts as first DC. In the space below the HDC, crochet to double crochets at chain 1 as a spacer. After 3 DC, chain 2, continue to crochet 3 double crochets in the same space. This completes the corner. 3 DC CH to 3 DC. Are the 3 DC. Remove the marker in the marked stitches. Crochet a half double crochet. HDC to replace the final chain 2. Start round 3. Chain 3 counts as first DC. In the space below the HDC, crochet 2 more double crochets. Total is 3 double crochets. Next is the corner space, under the previous chain 2. Crochet 3DC CH to 3DC. Simply chain 2, slip stitch into the third chain of the beginning, chain 1 to secure and cut the yarn. One granny square is done, makes 8 squares in total. Using the same method of flip the middle 2 squares, these will be the bottom of the bag. Sewing. 2 squares for the front panel and 2 for the back panel. The remaining 2 squares go on the left and right sides. I'm using the fox for yarn for joining. Place 2 squares back out to a back. Insert hook through the adjacent loops half stitches. Pull the yarn through and slip stitch. After sewing, use the leather yarn to crochet a few rounds of single crochet SC. Left a space in the center of the front and back panels. Chain 20 to create the handles.